Hello everyone, welcome to Preschool Art. I'm Miss Lindsey, and today I'm going to show you how we are going to experiment with watercolors and rubbing alcohol and see what happens when those two things mix. So I have with me my watercolors and some 70% rubbing alcohol. So we're going to use that to make our picture today. So first we are going to get some paint on our brush, get that on our paper. I'm going to do some orange and blue today. Alright. So once we've got our paint on our paper, we're going to take our rubbing alcohol, which I put in this little dish. If you have a spray bottle, that would be ideal. I don't have a spray bottle for my rubbing alcohol, so I'm just going to drip some little dots onto my paper. And you can see how the rubbing alcohol reacts with the watercolor paint. Starts making these cool little rings. So yeah, that's just a fun, simple little project you can do with your family at home. Thank you for joining me for my video today. I hope you all are staying safe and healthy and are enjoying being back in school. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. We hope to see you at the library soon.